Alright folks, I'm about to show you how you would change out. So first of all, sometimes you may have a problem with your tailgate on your trucks. This happens to be a Chevy Avalanche, and sometimes when you're driving, if you don't have it locked, your tailgate can fall open. A lot of times what the problem is this right here, which is called your stud in your bushing. If you can look up on it, you'll see like that run in the middle of it. And as that gets wore out right there, it makes a loose connection with your tailgate, which can make a tailgate pop open. But all you have to do to change this out, which is called your stud and bushing, is first thing you want to do, at least on this Chevy Avalanche, is you want to remove your tail light. And to do that, with your back tail light housing, you just want to take out two screws, one up here and one down here. And once you remove those two screws, next what I'm going to be doing is using a torque bit, and I believe this one is a T35, which I'm going to be using pretty much to take out the stud and bushing part. I'm just taking that and I'm just going to basically turn it to loosen it. Once it's loose, it's not going to come all the way out like this, because you got to remove your actual tail light. And once you do that, you can come in here now. What you'll see is you have a bolt that's on the back. So what you want to do now is just take off this bolt like this, and once you remove that bolt, you'll be able to take out your stud and bushing and put a new one in. You got to do the same thing for both sides. So you want to change out this side, then repeat the same process for the other side to take this out and put a new one on it. That way you have a better connection with your tailgate so it won't fall in the back of your truck. And of course, once you take it out, you get your new one, same thing, come back in, put it back in, stick it back into the hole pretty much. Now get that bolt. Stick it back into your hole and tighten it back down, and you're pretty much will be done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would remove your stud and bushing from off of a Chevy Avalanche truck. It's probably the same for multiple different trucks, especially on all Chevy trucks. Alright, thanks. Please subscribe and please check out our other videos. Thanks.